take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please do just click the subscribe button down below. I do both food and travel related videos, and sometimes I just throw some videos in there. So if you all are interested in that and seeing me, make sure to click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. So in today's video, y'all, we are headed to Caroni Bird Sanctuary, and that's where you go to see Trinidad's national birds. Do you see the both of them? I don't know, but you see at least one of them there. And if you guys know what the national birds are of Trinidad and Tobago, make sure to put it down in the comment section for those who don't know. But yeah, we are headed down there, Caroni Bird Sanctuary, and this would be our first time, both for me and my husband and Annalie, visiting Caroni Bird Sanctuary. We've never been there before, so what we did, we basically looked up their name on Google and they had contact information and all of that, so we called the number. And because it's during the week, we didn't have to schedule a time to go. We could have just called on the day to go on the day. But if it's weekend, you would have to call and make an appointment in advance, and I think you have to be there. Well, the tour is for 4:30, and I think you have to be there for 4:45 or 4:15. I'm not too sure, but they'll let you know all of that when you call. If you guys are interested in seeing the Caroni Bird Sanctuary, make sure to keep on watching. No, we're just going on the boat. We're going to see Trinidad national birds. We have reached Caroni's Bird Sanctuary and we are just waiting on a boat. That boat is completely full, so we are waiting on another boat to go on to really start this tour. Excited to go on the boat? Yeah? You want this? We're moving.
Guys, the channel on the right hand side here. Long ago there is a plant rice and cane on this part, right? And it has a gate here is to block the salt water from coming in from the ocean. And there is a plant on this side, so they block off all the salt water that comes from the ocean, and here was only fresh water. Right? So that couple, like, maybe over 20 years ago, right? There is a plant on this side. Like that, right? You see it?
Oh shoot, a snake. Okay, very light. Snake on the tree now. It just camouflage.
Also a tree boa is a nocturnal snake. It would sleep any day, feed any night on young birds and rats. Non-poisonous snake, but aggressive snake. They could climb and swim, right? They could climb and swim.
What else you think you're going to see? Crocodiles? Think you see Mr. Crocodile? Yes. I think I'll see Mr. Crocodile too. We have to look. We have to look and see. Okay, we're gonna. You see anything? No? What else? What else we can see in here?
Mommy, I cannot see a fish.
And while going along, you're gonna see this one with the roots projecting from the tree into the water and into the ground. Majority of the bird sanctuary is made up of this one. It's called the red mangrove. So we have the red, the white, and the black.
Bless you.
While going down, you're gonna see majority of the swamp is made up of 8 patrol from this area.
Forestry
They also
department.
have the back of the building, so they have like meetings and so on.
You have to be ducking. Ducking. Did you see the national birds?
Yeah.
What are the national
I
birds?
think I have to wait.
You think what?
To see if I see any tree.
Yeah, but what are the national birds we're going to see? What is that?
Color-tided.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure we're going to see.
What else is a national bird?
I don't know.
You're
Africa.
in Tobago.
And what that?
Sharks? No, there's no sharks here.
This is the river.
Yeah.
And that sea.
No. It's still the river. Caroni River.
The flamingos, they are feeding in this part, right? You notice the birds standing here, alright? It's very shallow, but here works at tides. So during low tide time, all here becomes mud flats, no water. That's why you see all these birds feeding here.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
this structure here was the bird viewing tower. Right? It was approximately 85 feet in height with stairs to go to the top. But it was built over 15 years ago. But over the years, termites start eating the material and no maintenance also. Right? So they built several sites in the swamp, little jetties and little huts and so on, but over the years, they didn't maintain it. So we're gonna go back by the boat side now and we're gonna see the starter type is the egret. The white ones are the egrets, the blue ones are the blue herons. I'll point out the boats as they come in.
So we are going to park up and wait for the birds to come in. What birds do you think you're going to see? What birds?
You think
The place is pretty quiet and we're just waiting for the birds to come. You excited to see the birds?
Right there.
Alright, so we're just here waiting. All the boats are parked up. Let me show you.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. I would highly recommend you guys do this bird sanctuary tour. It's really informative. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy my video. Don't forget to share it on your social media, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Annalisa, bye bye. Annalisa, bye bye.
Bye bye.